Right, in this video I'm going to show you how I made a device to actually make this nice straight weld around here in conjunction with the old Arccaptain MIG 200. So that's my welding with the Arccaptain MIG 200. The welds are okay, but it's just my welding's not that great because my eye's not what they used to be anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind that off and put my new plan into action. Right, so I ground that down. I could actually fill it and then paint it, but I might end up doing that still if what I'm about to do now doesn't work. Let's grab one of these as well. That's actually a telescopic tube for a pop-top camper roof, look. Works. Right, so this should be interesting. We're going to give this a go. Right, this should be interesting. I'm also going to try out the 4T function as well, so that means I can press the button once, it will weld, and then I'll press it again to stop it. So I do that button there. Right, let's see what happens. I'm going to go around that way. Well, I reckon I'd call that a success. There's one, it blew a hole in one little bit. See, and they pretty much lined up. They're not quite spot on, but yeah, I blew a hole in it there. But the old Arccaptain MIG 200 does a great job of that. I'm pleased with that. Right, so that's how I did this. I really should have actually done this in the first place when I welded this together, but that wasn't on my radar then. So I ground a weld off just to show you how it can be done in a really nice way. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and comment. And make sure you stay healthy, drink plenty of water, and have a great day.